This is the driveway that leads to the back of my house.
And I can do snow magic.
The snow is all the way up to the gate.
And I was stuck in it. You want to see me stuck in it again?
You want to be stuck in it. This is my neighbor's yard. Wow, look at the snow. Yeah, the wind is blowing, so some spots is good. But alright, here's my garden.
Dun, dun, dun.
Wow, you can't even see the best beds. Whoa! Okay, I just stepped in the snow and look. My foot is all the way in there. All the way up to my knee. You're supposed to be searching for Leo. Why is your crazy cat outside anyway? We found Leo. He's at home on the deck. Do you want to go in the house? It's cold? I know you do. Alright, here we come. Whew, this is my winter garden all covered up with snow. This is my deck partially cleaned off from the snow. Nothing's going on here. Just everything is frozen. That's my garden again down there. And everyone is snowed in. Oh, the wind is crazy. There's nothing like homemade chicken soup and hot chocolate to warm the soul. Happy winter!